Good morning children. Welcome back to the art and craft class. Children, it's so hot these days, isn't it? So, to beat the heat, today we are going to make watermelon fan. See children, it's foldable. You can fold this. Okay, let's make it. Children, for making this fan, what we need are Fevicol, scissors, black sketch pen, ice cream stick, 2 red sheet of A4 size, 4 strips of green color. Okay, starting with the craft. First of all, paste these strips vertically. Okay, you have to stick this using Fevicol. Now fold this sheet into half. Okay, open it using black marker or sketch pen. What we will do is we will draw seeds of watermelon. Okay, draw seeds like this in this direction. Then from the other side, turn this and again we will draw seeds from this side, okay, in this direction. See children, now we will fold this sheet like we did in the flower craft. Okay, start folding this. Now fold it into half. See. Okay. Now do the other sheet also in the same way. See children, we get 2 sheets like this. Now what we have to do is we have to tie these sheets together. Okay, you can take anything to tie this. Here I am using Moli. Tie this tightly, make 2 knots. Okay, now we will stick this. Okay, see, I have sticked this from the 3 sides, remaining only one side is open. Okay, because in this side we will stick ice cream sticks, okay, for the handle of the fan. Stick this. Children, my ice cream stick is small. If you will get bigger ice cream stick, then it's really good. It's better. Okay, because my ice cream stick is small, so I am sticking one more over here. Okay. See children, my watermelon fan is ready. Isn't it nice? Children, if you don't have red and green sheet, you need not to worry. You can make this fan even using newspaper or any other colorful sheet. Just decorate it and share that with me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this craft. See you soon children. Bye bye till the next class. Bye bye children.